Alright, here we go. What I'm finding out is that I checked all the e-stop circuits pins 3 and 4 here on the drive amplifiers, and this upper one I only have 6.59 volts. All the other ones in that cabinet over there, the NC cabinet, where I guess we'll call it the numeric control cabinet, those have 50 volts. So both this upper one and lower drive amplifier on pin 3 and 4, I'm only getting 6.32 or 33 volts AC, when I should have, according to Fanuc, 100 volts, but I'm only getting 50 on everything else. So I have an active e-stop on this machine, and I got to figure out where the heck it is. It's very strange. So there must be a disconnected wire, and I don't believe it's this. If I hit this, I'll hit the it says ATC. Let's try it again on the lower one, pin 3 and 4. Yep, still 6.20 volts, 6.19 volts AC. I got terrible glares in here. Can't even read the display. Alright, so that does not make any sense. Released, same. Doesn't matter. So these two are in an e-stop condition, because if we go over here and measure this, you will certainly see that pins 3 and 4 are producing 52.4 volts AC. On X, Y, and Z, and they're all green. So that's not the problem. We'll get to the bottom of it here sooner or later.